I want to share with you a beautiful practice known as loving kindness, also known as Metta. And the loving kindness meditation comes from the Buddhist tradition, and at its essence has been embraced across many different paths, including yoga. At its core, it is a practice of intentionally cultivating goodwill, care, and friendliness towards ourselves and towards others. And this is a practice you can return to anytime, especially when you feel overwhelmed, disconnected, or when giving begins to feel heavy. So go ahead and find yourself a comfortable seated or lying down position and close down your eyes. Bring attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Allow the shoulders to relax and the belly to soften. Take a big breath in and a long, nourishing breath out. And now bring awareness to the center of your chest, the heart space. And imagine a warm, gentle light glowing there. And this light carries the quality of compassion. And with each inhale, sense this light becoming a little fuller. And with each exhale, allow it to spread softly through the body, bathing you from the inside out. And begin offering these simple phrases to yourself, silently or out loud. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be treated with kindness and care. May I live with ease and purpose. May I feel at peace within myself. And allow each phrase to land naturally, and letting the simple light of compassion hold you. And now bring to mind someone that you care about, and someone whose presence feels supportive or familiar. Now imagine the same warm light that's radiating in your heart to expand outwards and surrounding this person and holding them gently as you offer these wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be treated with kindness and care. May you live with ease and purpose. May you feel at peace within yourself. Continue holding this person gently as your wishes from your heart radiate outwards. And now bring to mind someone you feel challenged by. Perhaps there's been a recent interaction that made you feel a little unsettled. And now sense your light of compassion, holding them gently as you offer these wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be treated with kindness and care. May you live with ease and purpose. And may you feel at peace within yourself. Continue to hold them gently as the compassion in your heart surrounds them. And now allow your awareness to expand even further. Sense the light of compassion moving beyond the space of your body, beyond those you know personally, reaching outward in all directions. Imagine it touching all beings everywhere. People in distant places, those you may never have met, animals, the natural world itself. All beings everywhere held within this gentle field of compassion. Gently offer these intentions outward. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be treated with kindness and care. May all beings live with ease and purpose. May all beings feel at peace within themselves. And just resting here for a few moments, visualizing the gentle compassion within your heart, blessing all beings everywhere. And sensing the quiet interconnectedness of all life. Slowly start to bring awareness back to the present moment. And thank you for joining me today. Namaste.